Good morning to all. So myself J.Revathi from Assistant Professor Department of Computer Science. Today we are going to discuss about inheritance from Java. So inheritance can be defined as the process where one class acquires the properties of another class. So with the use of inheritance, the information is made manageable in a hierarchical order. The class which inherits the properties of other is known as a subclass. So that is called a derived class or child class, and the class whose properties as inherit is known as a superclass or base class, or it's a parent class. So these are the definitions of inheritance. And the next one is that extend keyword. The keyword we are using that extends. So extends is the keyword used to inherit the properties of a class. So here we have a syntax for the keyword extend. So class super. So the statement of the blocks is executed. Next class subclass extends super. So superclass subclasses extend for the superclass. So next one is the sample code for the inheritance. So the demonstrating Java inheritance in the example, we observe two classes, namely calculations and my calculations. So using the extend keyword, the my calculation inherits the method is addition and subtraction of calculation class. So copy and paste the program given below for the my class with the name of my class my calculation.java. So here we have a class calculation. So in here we have initialized the initialize the variable z. It's in an integer. Next one is the public void addition. So we are going to add two numbers, that is declared as the int x and then int y. So calculation part is z equal to x plus y. So we are going to print the result value. So system.out.println, the sum of the given numbers is printed in the z. So the z value is displayed as the output. So next one is that public void subtraction. So next we are going to subtract two values. So one is the int x and then we declare the variable int x and then int y. Next one is the calculation part is equal to x minus y. Next we are going to print the result value. So the difference between the given number. So we are going to display the result value is z. So next one is that extend keyword we are using. So public class my calculation extends calculation. So my calculation part is extend to the calculation part. So is it equal to x star y. So the here we are going to product two numbers. So to display the product of two numbers. System.out.println, the product of the given number is we are going to display the z value. So next one is that main function. So int a equal to 20, b equal to 10. So my calculation demo equal to new my calculation. So here we are going to display the value demo dot addition a and b, subtraction value a and b, multiplication value a and b. So the calculation part is going to execute. So next the result will be displayed for the addition, subtraction and then multiplications part. So next one, how to compile and execute the above codes now. First we have to compile the codes. Java C my calculation .java. So class file we are going to execute. So that is the file name for that our program. And the next one is then execute our program Java and my calculation. So after the executing program, it will produce the result, the sum of the given number 30. So because we are going to take our a value is 20 and then b value is 10. So add two numbers, that is 30, and then difference between the number is 10. 20 minus 10, the result is 10 subtraction value, and the product of the given number. So 20 a into b, so that is 20 into 10. So we are getting the answer is 200. So in the given program, when an object my calculation is created, a copy of the other content as a superclass is made when it. So that's why we are using the object as a subclass. You can access the members of superclass. So that is that calculations of the copy of the calculation part. So int is an addition and then subtraction. So next we are going to superclass reference a variable can hold a subclass object. So you can access only the members of superclass. So next one we are going to see that super keyword. So what is the keyword? So in that earlier we are discussing about the extend keyword. So now we are going to see a super keyword. So super keyword is similar to this keyword, and then following the scenarios where the super keyword is used. So it is used to differentiate the members of superclass from the members of the subclass. So if they have some names, so it is used to invoke the superclass constructor from the subclass. So that the way we are using that super keyword. So differentiating the members. If a class inherit the properties of another class, and if a members of superclass have the names same as the subclass, to differentiate these variables we use the super keyword as is shown below. The super variable, and the next one is that super method. So here we are having that sample code for using that superclass, and then super keyword using that super keyword. So first one is the class file. So superclass. So integer we are having a number equal to, assigning a number value is 20. Next one is the display the method of superclass. So here we are assigning the superclass method. So public void display system.out.println. This is the display of method of superclass. So here we have a comment. So next one is that we are going to extend a subclass to superclass. So public class subclass extends to superclass. Here we are having a number value, integer value as 10. So public void display. Here we have to display the subclass. So next one is that public void. Here we are using that method. So the subclass sub equal to new of subclass. Here we are invoking the display method of subclass sub dot display. So next one is that super dot display. Here we have to invoking the display method of superclass. Next one is that we are going to print the value of the variable in that subclass, and next one is we are going to display the value of superclass. So that is named as a super.num and then sub.num. So next one is that for our main function sub.class object equal to new subclass.